and welcome back to the homestead. So we are currently in our backyard garden and I have got everything out of it because this year I am completely redoing this backyard garden. The only things still left in here are my 3 grapevines because I can't move those, so those are in here. What I am planning on doing right now is the whole perimeter of this fence. I'm going to put asparagus and strawberries. Those are going to be my perennials that are going to be here in this backyard garden all the time, along with my grapes. All right, so I've got this cow manure and compost bags, and I'm going to go ahead and put them all around this side of my garden. We're going to open them up, spread them out, till it into the ground, and then we'll go ahead and start making our holes for our asparagus. All right, we went ahead and emptied all the bags out, and I had enough just for this side, which is exactly what I needed for my asparagus. Now I've got some peat moss, and I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and sprinkle it all along this edge to help keep the soil from becoming too compacted. This will keep it nice and soft and aerated. This is a nice little tool. It's for grapes, for cutting your grapevines, but it's sharp and it works great for this. Teen, are you helping Mom out? Huh? Are you helping me get all the grass out, Teens? My good girl. Good girl. All right, friends, so here I've got my 7 holes that I went ahead and dug out, and these right here are your asparagus crowns. These are 3-year-old asparagus crowns, and you can see that the asparagus is already starting to pop up on these. So let me show you exactly how we're going to go ahead and get these into the ground. All right, so here we have our hole. What you're going to want to do is do a mound. You're going to create a top for it because you want to put your roots around it. So you'll take your crown like this and you'll kind of spread it around. All right. And now we're just going to go ahead and fill this back up. And you can tell the soil is good because when you see your little wormy friends in there, you know your soil is really good. All right, that's 1 down. 6 more to go. All right, friends, and there we go. I've got all of my 7 asparagus crowns now planted in the ground. I went ahead and put some markers next to them so I know where they'll be coming up. Also because I am going to be putting strawberries in this bed and other flowers and vegetables in here, so I want to know where my asparagus roots are so I don't disturb them. But now you just need to go through and water really, really well So I'm gonna do that now. Friends, thanks for hanging out with me today in the garden as we got some asparagus planted. Let me know in the comments if you like asparagus and if you have any planted on your property. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all's well and have a blessed day. Lazy pups.